Hi everyone. In this video, I am going to teach you full stack website development with PHP, Laravel, and MySQL. You just have to invest your time in this video. There's no any type of prerequisite. Just invest your time in this video and you'll be able to create beautiful websites. You just have to invest your time and attention, and teaching you will be my guarantee. Doing this makes me feel good. I'll tell you what is important and what's not. There are a lot of things which people usually miss. There are a lot of things which people usually miss. I'm going to cover all these topics in this video, and I'll make you a successful and profitable full stack developer so that you can get a good start and you can build good websites. Now I want to tell you difference between HTML, CSS, and JavaScript with an analogy. HTML is like a human skeleton, and CSS is just like the skin on the skeleton. This means CSS beautifies that skeleton. CSS do the same work on HTML, just like skin do on our skeleton. Our skin provides help to our skeleton to look good, and CSS helps the HTML to look beautiful. Just like our brain impart logic in us, like that JavaScript provides logic to website made with HTML and CSS. Now we will understand the difference between backend and frontend and how does a basic website works. Whenever a web browser requests some URL, suppose potenzaeducare.com from a web server. So in return, web server send the files of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Your browser pass this HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files and shows you what you actually see in a website. Actually, it is a code, but your browser pass that in such a manner that a beautiful website is visible to you. As you can see, HTML is a hypertext markup language. The full form of HTML is a hypertext markup language. And HTML is the language of the web. It is used to create websites. If you ever visited a website, let's suppose potenzaeducare.com. Let me go to the website. Suppose this is the website, potenzaeducare.com. So if you want to see the HTML code of this, you have to right click and click on view page source, this one. So this is the HTML code or the code for the website which you were saying. This is the website and this is the code. This is how it looks, the code. So source code also we can say. You'll be able to see how this website was made, what are the things which was used in front end, which type of tags they have used. And now if you don't know about HTML, then maybe you will find these tags overwhelming. But let me tell you, I am going to make these things very easy for you. So we have learned about full form of HTML, it's hypertext markup language. This is the language of the web, which means we'll need this if you want to display beautiful web pages. It is used to create websites. We use HTML tags to define look and feel of a website. To define the look and feel of a website, we use the HTML. For example, if I want a link on the website. Suppose this is the link. So I'll specify that through an HTML tag. And if I want an image, suppose this is the image or this is the image. So I'll need to specify that through an HTML tag that I need an image here. If I need a paragraph, then just I need to mention the tag. Suppose this text I need or paragraph I need to mention that as an HTML tag. So just like a food with a different, we'll take an example. Just like a food with different kind of ingredients, like a recipe. For example, in cake, if you want to add chocolate, just like these ingredients, you have to add HTML tags in HTML web page. Just like you make food, there's a recipe. You add the ingredients accordingly. It's not like you added 10 tablespoon chili powder and 20 tablespoon salt. There's a sequence in the recipe which we have to follow. Just like there's a sequence of using HTML tags. You have to add those tags accordingly.